one of them that said 10 verified appointment in a week or something like that. So
Yeah.
I'm like, that is not, oh, that, yeah, let me click, but it's a lot better
Yeah.
than 15 appointment in 3 months. So my question is, how do I get them to change that whole 15 appointment in 3 months VSL? Because I haven't done the VSL yet, but
Mhm.
that's what the VSL is promising, which I know will not get anything of quality.
Um, yeah, I mean, 100%. Like, why don't you just change the claim? Because this is also the good thing about if you already have data in a market and you understand what's a lot and what's not enough, then I would 100% change the promise and uh make it more bodacious. Make it 50 appointments. Maybe make it 10 appointments a week. Or no,
Okay.
a day, I mean, or a day, I mean, you know?
But so my question is, so 10 appointment a day or you don't pay, right? I don't know how the
Well,
system.
no, of course not.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Let's
saying.
not, yeah, like, no, it has to be still. Okay, so also, before I explain that, I need to explain something. What gets
Uh,
someone to click isn't necessarily what you end up selling. And what I mean by that is if what gets people excited is, hey, come make, instead of 10K per month, make 10K per day, that gets them in. But then if they come in and they've never even earned $1,000 a month with
mm,
the skills that they have, then it doesn't matter even if you can build them an infrastructure that can make them $10,000 a day. They're not at a point where they can earn that kind of money just from a lack of skill.
mm,
So you don't change your promise, but you do change the agreement and the offer that you end up making to the people who aren't ready for the bigger outcome. Is it that it's impossible? Is it that people in the insurance space don't get 10 appointments per day? No, there's probably people who get 1,000 appointments a day if you think about it, right? But for an agent, he might not have the capital, he might not have the time to even handle that many. But that doesn't mean you can't use that offer to get people clicking and getting on a sales call with you. Does that make sense?
okay.
Yeah. But I would for sure improve the claim instead of like 10, 15 appointments a month, make it per week, make it every 72 hours. But you can just align with what you know would get people in your field engaged and don't
Mm,
just settle for because you have judgment. It's not like you don't know better. So use that to improve the offer a little bit.
okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank
Yeah. That's what I would do at least. Cool.